On March 18, 2011, something strange happened. For exactly 7 minutes, India disappeared. Satellite system across the world lost visual contact with the entire country. Pilots flying over Asia reported seeing empty oceans where land should have been. GPS systems started rerouting flights around a nation that, according to their data, no longer exists. Communication networks dropped, stock markets froze, no government could confirm what was happening. And then, just as suddenly as it began, everything came back. India reappeared. System restored, no damage, no explanation. Scientists later called it a rare atmospheric anomaly. But here is the truth. None of this ever happened. What you have just heard is just an example of AI hallucination. An AI hallucination is when an AI system generates information that sounds accurate, detailed, and believable, but is completely false. This wasn't a random story, it felt real for a reason. Your brain picked up on familiar signals like a specific date, technical systems like satellites and GPS, human reactions like pilots and governments, a scientific explanation. These elements create a sense of credibility. But the entire narrative was fabricated. This leads to the most important idea: an AI can generate confident but false narratives. It doesn't hesitate, it doesn't say, I'm not sure. It presents information smoothly, clearly, with authority, even when the information has no basis in reality. And that is what makes AI hallucination powerful and dangerous. Because when something sounds structured and logical, we tend to trust it. So, why does this happen? Why would an AI generate something that isn't true? The answer lies in how these systems actually work. AI is not verifying facts, it is not checking reality. Instead, it is predicting what comes next in a sequence of words based on patterns it has learned from a massive amount of text or data. And sometimes these patterns produce output that feels real but aren't. In the next video, we'll break this down technically and understand why AI can sound so confident even when it's completely wrong.